What's up, guys? It's your boy Adel in collaboration with Web3 TV from Traders Brawl. We are live at the studio on the Traders Brawl podcast, and I've got a special guest with me today, Ebenezar John from Treedex Pro AI. We're about to get to that in a second, but as a quick introduction, Traders Brawl is a podcast, an educational podcast that interviews voices of entrepreneurs, small businesses, and all innovations alike. And we're here to talk about a crypto trading AI tool that helps makes profit for you. Yeah. And all you have to do is sit back, relax, and not even enjoy the ride. You just have to close your eyes. So over to you, Ebenezar. Tell us a bit about yourself and Treedex Pro.
So we started the company here in 2023. So this is our second year. So initially we started with trading in the Forex market with our robot. So the robot technology is from Israel with my partner. So I partnered technology with people in the Forex before. So that was our business for a long time. And last 1 year we're testing on the crypto AI, and it's like making amazing profits. So we tested for a long time. When it's ready, we just brought it to the people. And from last October, we are trading with our AI in Binance, in Bybit. So these are two exchanges where just people have to just open their app, do their verification and add the USDT, move to the futures and start trading.
Wow.
Yeah, that's it. So we connect our AI through the API management. So, and that's how people are connecting their account to our AI.
So at the moment, so just to give some context, you initially started this in the Forex space.
Yes.
And was there a different name for it, or was
it's the same name, Treedex Pro.
Right.
So Treedex Pro is a software company registered in Dubai in mainland. So we are giving the Forex robot basically for people. Till now we are doing. We have robots in Forex, in stock. For gold, we have robot. It's called Expert Advisor. That's what we give in gold. And we also give in US 500, US 30. This is all we have. It's our, the first baby. And it's going well. Like, it's amazing. The best part now is our crypto AI. And that's why I'm here to tell people what everybody's enjoying as our clients. Our clients are like so happy. They're like sometimes jumping, bring me gifts, saying, hey, have it. Like, it's one of the best thing what to 2024 is ready with.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So the client does not they don't even know to need, like, they don't need to know whether they know about trading or something like that. All they have to do is just open a Binance account or a Bybit account and add the USDT and just move to the futures, and our AI takes care.
Wow. And just so I understand, this AI tool, you're saying it's never made a loss ever?
See, what we do, the AI is having more than 122 strategies, okay? So my partner built it. So it's built in a way, its first thing is capital safety. So we call it a conservative AI. So this, because when you say crypto, people say, oh, it's dangerous. It goes up, boom, or goes down, boom. That's not the way it's built. This is built in a way where your capital is safe. First thing, that's the cushion I want to give people. So this is a hedging strategy. Basically, we are trading in Litecoin. So the AI opens two positions. All the time you can see that. You'll open one short, one long. Okay, and the AI trades like 30 to 35 days hedge period. In that period, you can see profits, which I would say would not believe. The clients are enjoying like from 20% above to even 60-70% a month.
Wow.
And we do a profit sharing with the clients. That's how we make money.
This is mind-blowing, because what is this going to do for affiliate traders, affiliate marketers, who trade and they try to get, they have their own personal promo code. And so use my promo code, you get these discounts, and you can get the discounts on the costs of trading, or transaction fees.
Yes.
So what is this going to do to that model? It's going to probably destroy it, because there's no need for promo codes anymore. You just let the AI do its thing. Right?
It's almost true. But see, this is for the client to directly they're enjoying the benefits. First thing when it comes to trading, people, they give the money out to a broker or something.
Yeah.
And there are so much stories that brokers don't give the money, blah blah blah, and I don't get my payout in 3 days, 5 days, sometimes it takes 10 days. So there's so many things when it comes to the Forex or stock, But here what we do is we just trading directly on the client's Binance account. All you have to do is just get your Binance account ready, add the crypto, and the money is in your wallet. You're not giving it out. And you see the money bubbling up, and then we do a profit sharing.
Mm-hmm.
The best part about AI, like, when people say it's AI is trading, oh, what is the amount it can trade with? Only big volumes? Not like that. We built it a way where the AI can work with $1,000 to millions of dollars. The same profits, I can show you results where people with $1,000 made 50-60%, and with $10,000 made same 50-60%, with 100K made same profits. I have screenshots I can show you from clients. They're all so happy.
What's the minimum investment amount to be able to use the bot?
You can start with $1,000.
Can you start with 100?
$100?
To test it.
It's built in a way from $1,000.
Okay.
Because this is working on even big capitals where, you can put $500,000, $1 million. Same results you can find.
Okay, interesting.
So for testing, if you can put $1,000, $1,000 is nothing in crypto when you start with. And I can tell you, see, when I say my clients, I say, hey, if you just start to try how it works, put $1,000 and see. And people with a week time or 2 weeks time, they just call me and say, hey, Ebenezar, I'm going to add $10,000. I want to add $30,000. So they're so happy. I've seen clients start with 30K who are now in $500,000. So they see results. That's what we do.
Right. And you said if I want to top up anytime, I can top up from the comfort of Binance?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Oh,
you can add any time, but whenever you add a money in your wallet, you gotta let us know when you're adding it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So the hedge period is 30 to 35 days. When the hedge period is over, you will see 0 positions on your account. You will see all your money with the margin, with the profits. At that time, you can withdraw your profits.
I see now. So there's a lock-in period that keeps your money.
Yeah, it's a hedge period.
It's a hedge period.
AI is hedging, right? Basically, It's a hedging AI. So the period is taking at least 30 to 35 days. So in that period, you're not allowed to withdraw, but the money is still in your wallet.
I see. So it's not daily profits. It's 30 days.
It's I could say it's a monthly kind of a profit, but what we are doing right now, because people, they want to enjoy the profits. Some people are they want to have it every week or 10 days.
Yeah.
So what we are doing for that kind of clients, when you see the account making more than 10% profit, at that time we will let you know, and you can withdraw your profits and do the
profits.
Oh, the profits, not the whole amount.
Yeah, the whole amount, just the profits.
Yeah,
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see a future in which you could make the withdrawal daily? Or
daily is not possible, because this is more of a personal touch you need. We have for every 30 clients we have account manager who's taking care of the client's account. Because we need to get restart capital every day. Every time you're restarting it, after you take the profits out. So it's it has to be upgraded every time that you're doing it.
Okay, got it. And
yeah.
When you say you've got an account manager, do you need an account manager because you have AI?
Account manager is only to withdraw the profits, and sometimes you see the AI is trading. You have a doubt, who you talk to.
Right.
You need to have a person with you, right?
Right.
So we give that comfort to the clients. So there's one person always with you, like a relationship manager.
Right, of course.
Yeah.
That human touch element.
Yeah.
Could there be a situation where, let's say, because this is centralized, and from a Web3 perspective, we're very decentralized. We're very much on a decentralized, dimension. So the fears that we tend to have in the blockchain space is that because it's centralized, you have the power to suspend accounts. You may say you won't, but you have the power to do so, and you also have the power to, if you go into liquidation, you could use the funds of clients, technically speaking.
So what we do basically, we do the API management for the clients, okay? We only take 3 basic authorization from you. If you go to the API management creation, we do all an auto generation. It asks you, it has 8 options. We only take reading option, we take spot and margin trading option, and we enable futures. No withdrawal, nothing like that. So that part, you don't have to worry about from our side. As a software company, what we take from you is general access just to trade on your account. Everything other than this is with you and Binance.
I see.
Yeah.
So the money isn't held by you. Is that correct?
No, we're not holding the money. The money is in trade in the exchange.
But I mean, when I say it's the lock-in period, the 30 days.
Lock-in period
Yes.
is because the AI is hedging. For example, let's say you start with $1,000. The money is split into 3. The AI actually takes 30% for short, 30% for long, and he keeps 40% for an uncertain situation. So that's the way we use the money. So that's why it's not in a block period. It's like a hedge period. That's it.
Okay. Interesting. Apart from Binance, what other exchanges are you on?
We're working with Bybit.
Okay.
And we're coming up with Coinbase for the clients in US and in Canada because many places it's not working. The futures are not available.
Okay.
So that's from April. You can see us in Coinbase.
Okay.
As of now, we can do in Binance and in Bybit. For people who are in Australia, in New Zealand, in Malaysia, we're doing it Bybit, where Binance is not accessible.
Okay, so Bybit has not yet been confirmed, but it's on the...
No, Bybit is already working.
Already working with you.
So
already.
We're working on 2 platforms right now.
All right.
Like we have the Binance and the Bybit.
All right. Okay. So far, those 2 exchanges.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're looking to get into Coinbase?
Yes, it's coming up.
Okay. Why Coinbase?
Because the clients in the US are not able to use Binance or Bybit exchanges.
Right. So you want to tap into those other markets?
Yes. Yeah.
Any thoughts on Kraken?
No. See, actually, we can do with Binance and Bybit alone. This is only for the Coinbase is coming up just for these 2 countries, just for them. So otherwise, Binance works at many places, all the places, like almost.
Right. I use Kraken. That's why. You know Kraken Exchange?
Yeah, I use it, but we're not in the plan to take it to everywhere. You know.
Yeah.
Like this is enough.
It's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many transactions has Treedex made?
Like, in what means? Like
in terms of, so I know you're a startup.
Yeah.
2 years.
Yeah.
Do you have a rough estimate how many clients you've had, for example?
See, it's totally confidential. But we have clients, and I'm on for love. Like we have in all over the countries. Like we have clients in Dubai, in UK, we have clients in New Zealand, in Australia. We have clients in Malaysia. We have clients in Singapore. Like a lot of places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Yeah. So I guess the question is, and I was pondering on this in the elevator. It's a money generating machine. You can think of it as money printing. So where is your Ferrari?
Where's my Ferrari? See, basically we are a startup. Okay, so it took a long time for us to gain the confidence of clients because when somebody comes to me, oh, you have an AI? Yes, we have an AI. Is it working good? I said, yeah, it's working good. How much can I invest? But the first thing, let's say Adel wants to invest, start. What do you have a mindset? Okay, you'll say, like, can you work with $100? Like, so the people always come with a little mindset to try and see for months. Because when it comes to crypto, they always have that fear, like something may go wrong. Of course. So that's why we say start with $1,000. And there are clients who start with $1,000. They use like 5, then we increase to 5,000, 10,000, and they grow up. And for every investment we are getting, like, let's say if the investment is more than $5 million, for every $5 million we are spending on service. The results, what you see, what our AI is making is majorly because of the speed, the latency, So that's the reason, that's the main expense we are doing. So every $5 million is getting us $200,000 from our pocket. And what we generate is we just investing. Right. But still, God's grace, we are doing well.
And when you say we investing, you mean the AI is investing on your behalf, or you also take some of the money to invest and then...
Yeah, like I'm saying that we invest on the service, basically.
Right.
Like, the expenses are there already.
Right.
Because the company is growing, every day there are people putting in. Because they see results, they're going to add money, right? So it's happening, and when the money is getting up, if the money is going above the service thing, it becomes like a low speed. So we don't want to reduce the speed of the profits. So we're adding more.
And does the way that it makes profits, is it by using margin trading, as in it uses leverage?
Leverage?
AI?
Yes, we do leverage, but before we were doing leverage into 10x, but now we're only doing it leverage 3x.
3x?
Yeah.
Okay.
So your live account with 3x.
All right, and you put like 1,000, then it'll 3x it, make it 3,000, and then it invests on many things. Yeah. Where does it invest?
The AI is trading in LTC,
Litecoin?
Yeah, Litecoin. And now we started to trade in Bitcoin and in Ethereum.
Okay.
So we have 3 currencies right now.
3 currencies, and you trade with leverage on those.
Yeah.
I see. No,
only these 3.
So I'm just curious though, because when Bitcoin tends to fall, all the coins tend to fall.
Yeah.
How can you...
It's like the US dollar. Like basically, if you're trading in the Forex, US dollar is like the major. Like, Euro USD, like Australian dollar US dollar. It's like Bitcoin is like that.
It's the same.
Yeah.
So if Bitcoin goes down, how is it possible to stay diversified and not fall down with it? With
See,
the AI?
I'll tell you a small example. See, let's say the AI is trading in Litecoin. Example of saying today's price is maybe $70. Example, okay? So the AI is opening in a day more than 400 trades. 400 trades he opens in a day. When the market is on uptrend, let's say it's going up. So 70.1 he buys some trades, 70.2 he buys, 70.3 he buys, 70.4 he buys. If the market is coming to 69.9, then he buys little there. So that's how he's buying, and at the end he compensates everything and inflation profit.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. But the scenario I'm trying to say here is if everything is like goes down, is it still possible for the
No, we are. That's why I said at the beginning we built a conservative AI. It's not making big steps. It's making all small steps, and it has always a stop loss concept. So he cannot go beyond where he can lose the capital.
I see now.
That's how we have built it.
Stop loss.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So stop loss it just breaks even then.
Yes.
There's no problem.
You will not go beyond your capital.
Could there be a scenario where after 30 days there's a loss?
That's what I'm telling you. You can never see a loss in our AI. It's built in that way.
Aha.
It's because let's say you're a very good trader. Imagine if you are trading 24/7. Would you leave it to go on a loss? You will try, and let's say you're a conservative trader. You're not the trader who makes boom up and lose everything. Not a gambler. But when you're conservative, you have your levels. That's how he is. So he's on a way that where he can keep your money safe and still make you profits.
Regardless of scenario. Regardless.
Yes, maybe if the situation, like how you asked, like Bitcoin is going to crash, something happens.
Yes.
Maybe you will not see profits for some time, but you will not see your capital going away. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
That's why I say people start with $1,000. Try 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Take your time. You feel comfortable, confident, add more.
What is this going to do? What impact is this going to have on all the salary workers out there?
They can love it. They will love it.
They will love it, huh? You're going to put all those bosses, you're going to make them very angry.
No.
their employers.
Everybody is looking why people move to Dubai, like why people are, striving up. They just want to see a financial freedom.
Of course.
And that's what we are trying to get.
Okay. Financial freedom.
Yeah.
This podcast the tagline is fitness with financial freedom because we try to combine the two together.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you considered taxation, crypto taxation, in terms of, I know you make all the profits.
Basically, this is in Dubai. So
yeah, so it's only in Dubai.
So other countries, it's about, it depends on the client. It's the client's problem.
Ah, I see.
Because, some people are in Australia, they pay the taxes. People in Singapore, they pay the taxes. It's all different. Right. We are a software company. We generate your profits, and we take care to the extent that your capital is safe.
Right. Yeah. I'm curious to ask, maybe just some figures here. Have you needed to raise any capital to build this AI?
Everything is raised by our own money.
Oh, yeah. Never had to borrow. Never had to.
No.
So everything is self-sponsored, self-funded.
Yes.
And this is before the trading AI came out.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. And how are the profits making right now for you? How's the market? We're obviously now sort of in a bull run. Is this increasing the profits?
Yes, obviously. See, the AI opens, as I told you, it's a hedging AI.
Yeah.
So he opens a position by himself. We're not, even making a point. It's mission learned. No, we have taught him how to trade, and it is like trading like a pro now. And he opens the positions, and let's say he's trading in Litecoin, and it's like $70, $71, something. He's, open a position where it's going up. And let's say it's going to, because it's volatile. When he's going down, like 69, 68, he's start opening a position against the hedge. So he opens again here, and he's making profit this side.
So all the way making profit either direction.
Yes.
Either direction making profits, shorting and longing.
Yes.
Could there be a situation where the software itself gets a glitch or a bug? and somehow it just stops working normally.
It's not built in that way, for sure. It's made in a way that it can sustain any kind of thing. But I would say 99% is not possible.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Right. No, I know crypto bots do exist. AI bots. I know we're using. I use bots synonymously, but it's an AI tool.
Yeah.
Because the bots also use AI.
Yeah.
They analyze the market before they make the trades.
Yeah.
And there have been situations where it didn't always make profits. So to hear that
see, we're not saying that AI is grown by itself.
Yeah.
It has a trade pattern to be learned.
Right.
From my partner. So my partner is a good trader by himself for the last decade. So he has taught the AI how to trade in a conservative way.
Right. Curious to ask, are there any regulations regulating this? Are you regulated? For example, is Treedex regulated by...
Yeah, Treedex is a mainland company and a software company. We're only giving software. We're not managing your funds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we work on a subscription. So our profits are always a subscription.
Right. When you say subscription, you mean...
Like we take the profit sharing as subscription.
And subscription.
The profit sharing is called a subscription.
Oh, I see. Okay. So as soon as you enter 1,000, there's a split. Only when you make profits. Is that correct?
Yes. Only when you... I would say, look at the camera.
Yes.
Only when you make a profit. Let's say you start with $1,000. When you make $100, in the $100, we have a profit sharing. Otherwise, we don't ask you anything.
So... Who would you say is your competition? Competitors.
See, this is a world of competition. Okay, there are a lot of people who are coming up, but we are unique. We focus on two things where I don't know many are focusing or no. We focus on a conservative trade where your capital is safe, and we are trading in a hedging system where we want to show you results and also we want to keep your money safe. If in this motto, I don't see good traders in the market nowadays.
Right. Okay. So do you think this will kill the model of pro traders, influencer traders, affiliate market traders? I
don't want to go on that. I'm sorry.
I guess it's pretty obvious because if it's doing better than them, then
See, trader is always good.
Yeah.
We cannot compete with them. But the trader cannot trade 24/7. But the AI can. That's the best thing.
There are some other competitors that come to mind, like Crypto Shopper. Have you heard? Crypto Shopper, 3 commas. No, Shrimpy.
No.
These are some...
To be very honest, we don't look at who's doing what. We look at what we do, and we want people to see our results. That's it.
Interesting. So you're saying this AI can always beat the market?
Yes. This is built in a way...
We're always beat the market.
Yeah.
Wow, that's you've gotta have a lot of confidence to say that. But
yes,
I wanna see this. So
maybe we can do a podcast next month or after 2 months. Let's say I will give you an account. Like let's open a Binance account for you. Like put $1,000. I'll connect through the API management. I'll connect my AI to your account. Show to you can show to the clients after a month. Like today is 20th of February. Maybe you come up in March 20th, we make a podcast and you can show the results to people.
That would be an interesting idea. I would be keen
to try that. Show what I know. Speaking is right.
The fact that you're able to do this and you're willing to means, your reputation is also on the line here.
Yes.
Right. You're happy to...
See, I'll tell you something. We are not here to scam people. Okay. We are here with a genuine motto where I make profit, you make profit.
Right.
We built it that way.
Right.
So it's always, it's a win-win situation.
Right.
When you make, I make. Otherwise, we don't make.
Right. Okay.
So we have made something which can profit people. Okay. So you bring in the investment, we give you the software. That's it.
How good are your cybersecurity systems in place in terms of, could there be hacks into the system? Could there be hacks into the 30-day, the 30-day lock-in period where the money is kept? Could there be a hack?
No chance. No chance.
Why is that?
It's built in that way. That's what I'm telling you. We have done everything behind the scene. What has to protect, to the max.
Right.
Yeah.
And the in the 30-day lock-in period, where is the...
It's not a lock-in period. See, it's a hedge period.
Hedge period, sorry.
Okay, the thing is, the AI is hedging. Yeah. We are not trading. There are many strategies in trading, where you can make big in a single day. or what do you want to make in a month, you can make in a day, right? This is built where you can see consistent returns. Like,
Understood.
you can see like let's say the AI is trading, in a single day, like he makes like 5 or 6 total profits in a month, where you can see whatever your capital you're having, he can make like 3%, 5%, even 10% of your capital in one trade.
Right.
So that's why we say that 20%, it's easy. In a month, he can make it.
Right. Okay. I guess what I meant to say is walk me through the process. First, I have a Binance account, which I've had for years. As soon as I want to start using the crypto trading AI, I now need to transfer the money to the crypto trading AI.
No, you're moving your money. Let's say you have your money in your funding account.
Yeah.
You're moving your money from the funding to the futures.
Right.
USDSM future.
Yeah.
That's it.
And that's
just transfer. That's it.
That's just a transfer in Binance.
Yes, in Binance.
In Binance.
Yes. How our AI is connected is, it's through the API management.
Right.
If you log into your account, there'll be API management.
Right.
So we create 5 API keys on the client's name. Your first name and second name will be there. We put our IP address on your account, and we take 3 axes, as I said at the beginning: spot and margin trading, enable futures, and enable trading. That's it.
Right.
No withdrawals.
No
withdrawals.
No withdrawals. Until what?
And you can see it on your phone by yourself. Mm-hmm. For example, let me just open my phone. I can show you in Binance, like, what is
are you going to show me one of your trades, your $1 million trades?
I want to show you what access we take, so that will be for people who are understanding.
Sure.
So this is the API management. I can show on the camera maybe. So if you go to the API management, right, you can see here, right? So you can see the API management.
Yeah.
So you can see my name, like API key 5, Ebenezar John.
Yeah.
So that, like this, you have 5 keys. Okay. Let's say I'll open any one key. Tell me which number you want to say. 1 to 5. Any key.
3.
Open. 3. Okay. Let's open API key 3. Okay. I'm opening here. You can see the access, right? You can see the IP address of our AI connection. Like, no, this is our IP address added. You see what is the enable reading is there. Enable swap margin is there. Enable futures is there, right? This is what you see.
Select.
Only these 3 access we take on your account.
I see.
Is there enable withdrawals?
When you say access, you will have access into my account and make the trades.
Yes. The access is taken through the API key.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. When I'm opening how can the AI get connected to your account? There are millions of accounts, right? Yeah. So every account will have a secret key and API key.
Yeah, I know.
That's what we take, and through that we connect.
And I can remove the access anytime.
Anytime. You just go in, delete, that's it. The AI is disconnected.
And then if I want to withdraw, I have to wait after 30 days.
Yes.
That's fine. I know. But you can still see everything.
We make an agreement with the client.
Yeah.
The client signs the agreement.
Yeah.
And then we start to trade.
Right. Okay.
So when you're happy about all the conditions, you're fine, then you can start trading with us.
Okay. So what about all the stuff about exponential moving averages, EMA and all these signals and signs? Are they going to be no longer needed?
See, I cannot say that. But what I am here to say is, we are here to make anyone who does not know what is crypto market. But see, today everybody is saying Bitcoin is going $52,000. Wow, it's going up. This is going up. That's going up. But everybody has that, feel, can I make a chance of, investing on that? But they have no access to do that. Many people don't know what's spot trading, right? So what we are doing is we are opening the windows of opportunity for people to trade in crypto with having zero experience. And all the money in their wallet, and safety is there, built in a nice way. Start small, try with $1,000. Maybe you can try for a year, then you're happy, add more. We are giving all options.
When you say try for a year, are you saying you can lock in it for 1 year?
No, I'm saying...
Oh, you renew.
No, I'm saying, till you gain confidence of adding more money.
Right. How, is there a way you can compound the...
Yes.
Compound interest?
Let's say you're a client, you start with $1,000.
Yeah.
Maybe the AI made 30% for you. So you made a profit of $300. This $300 you can move to your spot wallet or your funding wallet, and you do the profit sharing with us. And then you can maybe you don't do the profit sharing. You can say you can only give our profits, and you can still make your money compound.
Okay. You got it? No need to profit share just yet.
Yeah, just
keep going.
Just our shares you can give, and
you can use 1,300 as the new money into the trading AI, crypto trading AI.
Yeah.
And you trade on that money now.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's say I don't want to take it out in 1 month. I want to take it out in 5 months. Is possible also?
Yes, but the profit sharing, what has to come to the company, has to be shared by you. So you gotta give it from either from your wallet, like you have to buy and give us crypto. It's your choice.
Okay. So
You don't automatically give us.
you don't automatically take it.
No.
Okay, that's nice.
There's an option also if you want to. No, I don't take it automatically, but we can move the profits from the funding wallet to from the future wallet to the funding wallet.
Right.
We can move that profit for you every month if you want.
Right.
We can do that for you.
Okay. Could there be a situation where the trader doesn't want to give you your profit? Could there? Technically speaking. Technically.
So I'll tell you how it works. For $1,000, if somebody is trading and they say they're not giving profit, we say, bless you, bye. So when somebody coming up with $10,000 above, so we have a subscription system.
Yeah.
Okay. So if the client, let's say somebody is starting with the 10K, so we will tell them to pay $1,500 as subscription fee, or we call it as a deposit. Okay. So let's say you're trading. Okay. Trading with the first month, second month, third month. Every month you're doing a profit sharing. Third month when you're doing a profit sharing, you don't need to pay a profit sharing. What you pay as subscription in the beginning, we adjust it. And I come to know that you're genuine, you're paying 3 months, I continue with you without no money. You do the profit sharing.
Got it.
So we don't have a catch.
This is mind blowing. We have to leave it there because I do want to. I want to come back and do this. I actually want to make a test. We have to leave it there, but I really appreciate your insights in this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, Ebenezar. I look forward to a round 2 with you.
Second video, part 2 is coming next month. Same day.
Very well. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adel with Traders Brawl podcast. I hope you found this insightful. And stay tuned because we'll be coming up with a part 2 more or less soon. So thank you so much for staying with us, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Cheers.